Hey everyone, today we're excited to bring you a review and unboxing of a great product from INGCO. Let's see what's inside. Product manual. 20-volt 2-ampere battery. Battery charger. Additionally, you'll find a small box containing accessories like bits and screws. And also, there's another battery. Meet the popular drill that packs a punch with 66 Newton of torque. This drill has gained immense popularity and is widely used. It's a reliable and practical tool for multiple applications. This drill is brushless, which is definitely a plus. Let's put the battery in. Time for a quick test. This drill features 3 modes: drill, screwdriver, and hammer. It features a speed adjustment ring for screw driving. It features a 2-speed switch. It has 2 buttons for forward and reverse drilling, or for driving screws in and out. It also has a lock-on feature for the power button, which provides safety and protection. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Catch you in the next one.